We're just going to jump right into this. We are going to attempt to use that sand and this little device that we got that hooks up to a pressure washer to clean off some of the stuff in here. So we'll see how well it works. So we got our pressure washer. We got the tip here. Where does it go? There it is. And we're just taking this piece out and we're going to put this in there, and it's going to create, here Connie, you go ahead and hold it. We don't know what this thing's going to do, but we're going to see. Turn on the washer.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah, get it up over the corner there. We'll see what it does. Probably just push water for a second, and then we should be able to see the sand coming up, but we'll see.
I'm gonna try down here first.
Yeah, well, maybe like right on there.
Right here?
Yeah. That's like the black.
It's mostly just the sand's not coming through.
Well, here, go ahead and keep spraying. I'm gonna. This might be too wet. The sand might be wet.
Want me to try and fire right now, see if we can pull that stuff through?
Yeah. Oh, it did create, it vacuumed some.
Alright, so.
But I think this stuff is just way too wet.
Try it on the surface and like, let me see if I can.
Yeah, it's not. Go ahead and do it. Oh wait, hang on. Nope. Well.
I guess we'll try the other sand.
Let me get another bucket and we'll get the other sand. We got another bag of sand that's brand new. And that was out of the back of the RAV?
Yep.
It's clean. Oh yeah, that's way drier.
You'll need a knife to pull the top.
Strip it.
There you go. Yeah, this is actual, like, dry sand now.
Yeah, I got it just the other day, so. Just for this.
That should work.
Yeah, just throw that over there. Okay. Attempt number 2.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Did you ever open up the valve or no?
No, it's not a valve.
I don't see
What I am going to do is I'm going to push this. Go ahead and do it, and I'm going to pick it up. Keep going. Keep going. Go. I'm trying to get it to start doing something. Oh, there's a clog here.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, right there. Okay, powered up. Keep going.
It's probably clogged at the tip here with the water, with the wet stuff.
All right, so
So if you just want to take off.
well, I was going to take this off.
Clean here.
Oh, that's clear.
Then what about down in here?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna.
It had a clog. Anything else?
There's a little bit of clog there.
Need a pipe cleaner to shove down in there to kind of.
I'm gonna blow it.
Yeah. You have to plug at the top too.
So it comes out, blow on it. But this is probably still too wet. At least they made it see-through.
Pretty much, so you can actually find it if there's an issue. There we go. All right, maybe that was all that our problem was.
Maybe.
Just go. Ah.
I got this hoping that it would work. Hopefully we don't have to have this up on a thing sideways to do it. I'm hoping it'll suck enough sand. That's clear. All right, go ahead. Oh, there it goes. That felt it fully. Still not feeding it. It was. Now this ain't working for holding this and trying to do that. Let me get the tripod. Jesus.
I guess we're gonna have to put the bucket up higher.
Yeah, I'm thinking you're right. Get our tripod out of here. We're just gonna let it roll. Gonna turn this in there. Put that down there. All right, that'll hold that. And
Probably just gonna have to pick up the bucket and put it up here. Just for like best effect. Yeah, I can hold that while you lift the bucket if you want, or want me to lift the bucket.
well, I'm wondering, this thing needs to actually be higher.
Yeah, so we put it up top on here. It's gonna suck, but you just have to balance the bucket. Yeah.
I think I need to hold this up as well. All right, give it a shot. It's sucking.
Getting stuck up in it. I think it's getting jammed. Yeah, you can see, look at the flow. It goes from narrow to big and narrow to big.
Shoot it off into the.
See? Lump of dirt.
Okay, there it goes. Bring it back down into, well, keep it going.
Oh.
Okay, just keep it running. And go ahead and start blasting stuff. Blast right there in the front of the, like down in that, where that grease is down there, yeah.
Nope.
It's taking off some of it.
That's the power of the water. I don't see any of that sand moving.
Well, it's coming through because it's taking it down the thing. It's definitely feeding the sand down in there. Just keep sandblasting until we don't let up. Keep going. Keep going.
Well, I want it to blow up on me.
It's not going to blow up anyway. I'm just trying to get this thing to be free. Oh, look at that. It is taking off the
Right there it is.
stuff. Here, let me get a better picture. Let me put the camera on the other side.
Yeah, because that's bare now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it actually
take a
did.
little bit
It
off.
actually did take some off. So right down, I can't even see in the camera here. Move your shadow.
Well, it's on my chassis.
It's my shadow. Right down there. It took some off. Took the paint off that thing. So y'all should be able to see it. I don't know. Let me see here. Bring this down a little bit. We're just kind of testing this out to see if it actually works.
Pretty much.
Can't tell where I'm. Oh, okay, I'm right there. Okay, so we're gonna bring this way. All right, go ahead and start it. When it does feed the sand, it does work.
Pretty much. It just needs more. It just needs to be a little better at doing that.
Well, I'm trying to just feed it enough sand.
For a little
Just
plug.
keep doing that same area. You know, kind of around that thing, just kind of trying to get as clean as you can. just let me feed enough sand to keep it going, but not
Maybe a little more sand?
getting it all from the food without getting clogged up. It is working.
Slowly though.
They move to the top of that thing and spray it on the like right in there.
Oh, right there?
Yeah,
Okay.
try that. See it go through.
Yep.
Okay, now that we got it clear, I should be able to feather it in. Try that. Alright, here comes the sand. Such a minute vacuum.
Maybe the top part needs to go in all the way too, because it's got a nozzle on the top.
No, this is just a strengthening rod. It's slowly eating the sand. It's real slow though. If you give it too much, it jams up.
Pretty much. It's working, but just barely. I mean,
You want to feed the sand?
yeah, I can try. Just a little bit of feeding it in.
Yeah, it's like
Just barely touch it.
yeah.
Are you sure not having this underneath there would affect it? And it doesn't go through. Well, maybe it's clogged right there.
No, it's just welded on to hold it tight, so it has more weight in it.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you want to do is obviously the one with the thing.
Bottom, yeah.
You want to just, as it feeds it in, you can